Hi, beautiful person watching.
Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for your first time, hi, my name is Benna and you are?
Madeline, but you can call me Maddie.
So what are we making today, Maddie?
We're making tapioca cookies. They're gluten-free and very easy to make, and they're delicious. And if you haven't subscribed to my mom's channel, please subscribe and hit that like button in the face.
Thank you, Maddie. So family, today we are making tapioca cookies. This is actually my first time trying this recipe. I watched the video today on one YouTuber, Sweet Ajele, and I thought I'd try them because I had all the ingredients at hand. They were super easy to make. I'll put the link to her YouTube channel below so you can check her out. She has awesome recipes on her channel. As you all know, this channel is all about options. So tapioca cookies are gluten-free. So if you don't work well with the traditional all-purpose flour, the gluten-free option is going to be the best. So previously I shared some recipes with almond flour. If you're really looking for a low-carb, gluten-free options, almond flour is going to be your best bet. But tapioca flour too can be easily available, and I thought I'd share it as well. Christmas is in 4 days, I believe, and that can be a great cookie to make. Involve your family, involve your kids. My daughter is so excited to make it with me, and so let's just jump right into the recipe. So to make our tapioca cookies, we will need the following ingredients.
We'll need our tapioca flour, our baking powder, our coconut sugar, our lemon zest, and our unsweetened coconut flakes, and our coconut milk.
Okay. These cookies, like we mentioned, are super easy to make. I'm using the organic unsweetened coconut milk. I'm also using unsweetened coconut, shredded coconut. And I'm just adding in now, Sweet Ajele did not use unshredded coconut and lemon zest. I just find that these two combo goes so well together. I did try it in my almond cake. It was so good, so I thought, why not try it in these cookies and see how they turn out. So to start, Maddie is going to first of all start by greasing a baking pan. We are using some coconut oil to just grease it lightly, and then we are going to proceed to start mixing up the ingredients. We're going to start by going in with all our dry ingredients. I have my tapioca flour right here. I'll add to that a baking powder. I'll add the coconut. Maddie, add the sugar. Good. The lemon zest. Do you want to mix everything?
Okay.
And we forgot to mention salt, so I'm just going to add a pinch of salt in there as well. Maddie, mix.
Okay.
So this has properly combined. We are now going to go in with our wet ingredient. So the only wet ingredient we have is our coconut milk. So I'm just going to pour it first, half of this, and then I'll mix it up and I'll put the remaining half of the milk. So this is the consistency we are going for, family. So right now we are just going to proceed and start putting them in the baking tin, or is it baking pan, or what is that? Maddie, bring them over the pan. These were the closest I could find. So we are going to use this one and see how it goes. We already greased it with some coconut oil. Bring the other one, Maddie.
So I'm using this spoon. It's 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to use it and scoop and put it in.
Okay, start scooping, Maddie.
Okay.
Put it in.
Okay.
Shoot. Just scoop, Maddie, properly. Yeah, make sure you don't make a mess.
Put it in this one again?
No, put it in the next one.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Like that. Okay, yeah, go scoop and put in the next. Make sure you hold it properly, like, yeah. Go ahead. Perfect. So sorry guys, our camera did not record when we were about to put the cookies in the oven, but I had preheated my oven to 350 degrees and we did bake them for 25 minutes. Just one important tip, just make sure that when you're scooping out your dough, it should be less than a tablespoon. Make sure it's very light on the baking pan, because if you make it too thick, then they're not going to be crispy. So make sure that you're scooping less under a tablespoon into your pan, just like my daughter was doing. So Maddie, did you try the cookies?
Yeah.
How are they?
They're very crispy and flavorful because of the lemon zest, and yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah, I love them.
So guys, these cookies, they are good. The flavor from the lemon and the coconut, it gives it some really good flavor. Cookies, I love crispy cookies, and these are just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, join the Healthy with Bena family, and when you do, please turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from us. Until we come your way next time with something healthy, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.